It is a mouth, that's right. Good job.
What's up? It's so little.
Addie, what do you see? Can you read that book to Connor?
I see toes.
You see toes. That's right. That says toes. What else do you see?
Tiger.
Tiger. Rawr. Good job, Connor. Connor, what do you see? What do you see, Connor?
It's a foot.
Hmm?
It's a foot.
What do you see, baby?
Huh?
Oh, it is a foot. Yes, that's right. Toes are on a foot.
It's a foot.
Yeah.
Here.
Toes are on a foot.
It's a button.
Yeah. Should we sing a song? What should we sing, Addie?
I want to sing the cats. A, B, C, D, cats, 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 cats. Cats are
You're funny. Well, hello there. That's not what we do with books, sweetie. We have to treat them nicely. Yeah, uh-huh. Let's sing our ABC. Ready? A, B,
I want
C,
to sing
D.
the cats.
Okay, sing the cat song.
A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's how Mommy sings when she forgets the
I want
lyrics.
to sing the cat, Connor.
Connor, do you want to sing a song? How about London Bridge? Bridges falling down, my fair lady. Addie, what does an elephant do? What does a doggy do? What does a sheep do? Hold hands, be nice. Connor, kiss her hand. Aw.